checking out a Navion today. It's a 2006 Navion. Got the slide out. 3500 of course. Silver ring around the dash instrument here, and silver around the cup holders. A little bit different from what we're accustomed to. Everything is super clean. The seats look new. The armrests look brand new. Even the door jambs look like the van's never been used. Up under the hood, we're looking really good. Got some gray paint here that I'm not familiar with, and some silver paint here that's not familiar, but it looks real clean. Plastic bits look a little too new. Not sure how to deal. Looks like original windshield. A little bit of cracking concern there. Pretty impressive down here. Clean and dry. Exhaust looks, well, not new, but it's in excellent condition. Batteries are here under the step. There's a dry and clean oil pan I was telling you about. Everything in here looks a lot better than some we've seen. In here looks really good. I like these curved cabinets. Refrigerator is on. And cold. Ice cold water. Freezer's on and cold. Lots of storage. Full shower, headroom, microwave, 3-burner oven, propane's underneath. Wow, that is a big kitchen sink.